I walked into an Apple store to check out the latest iPhones. Apple just released two new models, the iPhone Air, which is the thinnest iPhone ever, and iPhone 17. I have been seeing billboards and ads everywhere, so I was excited to see what the hype is about. So I walked around and spent some time testing these new phones before deciding to buy the new iPhone 17 Pro. And there it is, iPhone 17 Pro with its signature cosmic orange color. Apple is calling these unique colors MagicChromatic. Outside of the orange, the sage green and lavender are the other color choices, which is a bold new look. The Retina display has a refresh rate of 120 Hz that enables fluid scrolling. This model also has an anti-reflective coating that enables you to see the screen even in bright sunlight if you're outdoors. The camera is 48 megapixel and ultra-wide with 4x resolution compared to the old iPhone 16. When it comes to battery life, Apple claims that the A19 chip gives you all-day battery with up to 8 hours of video playback, which is impressive. Now, what really sets the iPhone 17 apart is the liquid glass design interface that is adaptive and fluid and truly feels like such a sophisticated experience. Now, finally, the visual intelligence capabilities. Apple has integrated with ChatGPT, and all you need to do is take a picture, and ChatGPT or Apple's native visual capability will show you the details about the product in the image. There's also live translation built in. The setup and transfer process from my old iPhone was really smooth, and it only took me a few minutes to unbox my new iPhone 17 Pro and finish the setup. Now I can't wait to test all of the updated functionality. If you are interested, I also do a deep dive into visual capability features in my next video. And that's my new purchase. Follow for more.